Okay, it's 86 degrees Fahrenheit at 8 a.m. This is my pointless little nursery where I'm growing cuttings of Verbena bonariensis just because I'm an idiot. You can tell that I don't need any more. There's one here, and there's one over there too. My little acers, Japanese maples, trembling in the shade here since I don't like the full sun. And this is the glorious honeysuckle, out of control. I need to find a permanent home for it, but we have a renovation scheduled for August 2027, so I'm reluctant to do anything permanent, hence the mess out here. This plumeria hasn't flowered yet, but it's probably doubled in size since we brought it outdoors this year. And this is dahlia number 1, the only one that survived from last year. It's got tiny little cute flowers. It's kind of unhappy down there and happier up top. I just can't quite figure out dahlias so far. Some floppy cosmos. I should probably stake those up. Oh well. Nice. Heuchera up and Heuchera down. Got some moonflower growing up these strings here, but they haven't flowered yet. Ah, first flower is forming. Okay, good. It's about time. More of the cosmos. Love those guys. Butterfly weed, second year, still hasn't flowered. Wisteria didn't flower this year, but it's coming back nicely after a bit of a drought scare. A couple of jasmines here. Well, actually 3 jasmines. That one's going down there. The hollyhock is putting on some nice leaves, but I guess won't flower yet this year. Scabious, black knight pincushion flower. Persian carpet zinnias. And a few gladiolus just scattered about because they multiplied from last year. Got one flower spike left now. Of course it won't focus on it. Can't tell what color that's going to be. What else? Nicotiana's looking good. It's the flowering tobacco. With some zinnias growing up through it, about to flower. And I think the first Bergmansia trumpet flower, what is it, angel's trumpet or something? Resting peony down there, a bunch of roses, oh yeah. Losing petals, but that's nice. Let's see, time to look for caterpillars on the citrus. I think I got most of them yesterday. Ah, there's one. Oh no, it's not. Usually they look like bird shit, so it's easy to find. A couple of eggs. Oh boy. Roses, roses, roses. And then our unfortunate fig irrigation system crapped out. So we lost all the leaves and I guess the fruit aborted too. Here's another dahlia. This is kind of a, I think it's called peach latte. Just starting to. And once again, the bottom doesn't look too happy. Here's a white flowered dahlia. Also, half of it's looking sad, half of it's happy. And here's another peachy colored one that hasn't flowered yet, but was the slowest to pop up. Hydrangea survived. This rose also had a little irrigation problem, but at least we have some green foliage left. Some salvia growing in this rose. Ah, yes. Kind of. It's flowered. Finally. Lavender's crazy. That's taro. And a lime tree. No caterpillars at the moment. And a little phlox. That's basically the flowers. Oh, forgot this one. Isn't that cute? And this is the even messier vegetable side. Again, more of a chaos garden than anything else. So here I have some chard with Gomphrena globosa flower. Little baby vinca. This is okra, burgundy okra. Little chard. Little mini sunflower in here. Let's see. I started cucumber seedlings and then basically killed them. So I've got these discounted ones at the home store, and they are very happy growing up this makeshift trellis. Some nice baby cucumber setting there. And I guess they would go over the roof if they could. Some nice serrano peppers. Little kale forest here, recovering from an attack of various salad-eating bugs. And this perpetually unhappy little patty pan squash. This is the third year I've tried to grow it, and this is the saddest plant yet. More gladiolus growing everywhere. We have shiso that just seeds everywhere. This is, I believe, a Rudbeckia. A resting peony that didn't flower yet this year. Ah, yes, the Anaheim peppers. Very good. Some basil growing in a Cherokee purple tomato plant. These grow pretty ugly, but they're extremely tasty. More Nicotiana just hanging out here. Some little mini tomatoes that the determinate, so the one that died, and I didn't have seedlings ready to go, but they're coming up slowly. This is Fred's tie-dye dwarf tomato. One nice big fruit in there so far. But I think we're at the temperature now where things are going to shut down. Got little babies and aborted flowers. Not sure what we're gonna get. This is Barrel Beauty. It's a green tomato. Absolutely delicious. I was shocked at how good it is. This is a Tasmanian chocolate dwarf. Hoping this flower will do something. But now that we have heat in the 90s, it's probably unlikely. Strawberries, covered from the birds. They're growing pretty well. Unfortunately, they're right next to the air conditioner here, so they get blasted a bit. And here's more seedlings that I haven't found a place for yet. Mostly squashes and zucchinis and whatnot. Green beans, flowering but not producing yet. This is a volunteer tomato, I think. I can't remember if this is the volunteer or this is the volunteer. Okay, this is not a volunteer. This is a dwarf tasty wine. I did label it. And this is a volunteer. Who knows what that will be, if anything. Too much collard because I love it. Oh, another volunteer tomato over here. Actually fruiting. Hooray. Got a little bit of the dying dill and the lush lovage. Some pepper plants that I overwintered that I kind of been ignoring, but they're still growing anyway over here in a corner. How about that? So this is a second year pepper plant. Thank you for your service. A derelict yuzu tree. It's in its first year. And, oh boy. This is a French pumpkin, Musqué de Provence. Growing all the way up the bean trellis. That's some very, very nice beans that are kind of at the end of their rope here. Rope or road? Oh yeah, let's not forget the poblano peppers. Quite productive. Productive, pretty poblano peppers. There's a dragonfly. Resting. Back to that pumpkin, rampant pumpkin, has decided to go behind the large veg truck here. I see a few flowers down there. And there's a sprawling, out of control borage that I need to turn back once I can find my gloves. The herb garden over there with lemongrass that I just can't get rid of. Why don't we take a look? Thai basil. Purple basil that's no longer very purple. Come on, focus. Lemon verbena. Tarragon, sage, dead lemon balm. I think we got enough lemon flavors though. Creeping pumpkin again. Here's some very sad ginger and rather enthusiastic sunchokes, or fartichokes as some people call them. Finally, corn, which I've been trying to hand pollinate. I'm not sure how well it's going to work, but we're getting ears. Lovely little ears. Wish me luck. For some reason I can't grow beets. They just don't get beyond this size. And there's a little baby corn